Hello everyone, Ken Latham Design Guy signing on. Linda and Maury, this is where we're at on the addition process. So essentially as we come in here and we're looking at this, we're looking at the addition, your main addition, starting here and running this way. But we are also doing a little bump out here at this front porch area to well end up with a covered front porch as well. So let's just take a quick spin around and then we're going to go to the inside, which is the more important features onto it. Of course, this is where we were talking about with the hallway. This is the dining room. This is what you were calling your sunroom. This is Maury's room. Let's come on back around. So where we've got the ramp in here, I don't have any of the posts holding that ramp up as of yet. So I will get those put in. Again, we are in the early stages as of right now. And then as we roll on back around here, this is the kitchen door, the kitchen window, and again, back here is the dining room. So now let's switch over. Let's take a look here. So we've got looking down into the house. There's your masonry fireplace we were looking for. We'd put a hutch in. I'm sure that is not the hutch that you have. Let's get into the kitchen area. So in the kitchen area, I have a lowered area for cooking and a lowered area for the sink, a raised area for the dishwasher, so that way it's easier for you to reach over from here to put things in and take them out of the dishwasher, as well as somebody who's taller to be able to reach and put things into the dishwasher without having to bend over so far. So this one is actually going to end up being raised higher than a standard cabinet. And then let's spin around here and let's take a look some more. So what we have here, of course, is going to be your pantry. Then we've got your refrigerator. And then what we did was we came in and put drawers down here at the bottom. So to the bottom of the microwave is 24 inches to the floor. So that puts you there. Your seat on your chair, we understand to be 24 inches. So you should be fine with that. To be able to reach that, the upper cabinets, of course, are going to be some of the things you're not going to be able to reach. Let's swing back around. Let's go into here. I don't have the dining room furniture in here, but we're going to have a big open space for your dining room. So we actually went a little bit longer than what we had talked about originally to be able to get all the space we needed to be able to get the wheelchair around, and also we had the well that we had to deal with. Then let's go over and take a look into this would be your bedroom. I don't have all the furniture placed in here. I'm just placing the minimum so you could see what we had. And we're putting the corner window in so that way you'll get plenty of light to be able to see out of the back or the side. And then we also have your closets here. And then we get into the bathroom. And as we're in the bathroom, I put you 3 drawers so that way you're able to get to everything with the drawers. This is up high enough so you can roll underneath of it. Then we've got the grab bars on each side. We may end up changing the style of grab bars. I was looking at using a fold-up grab bar, but that's one that you can make the choice on what you want to use. I have not put the grab bars in the shower yet, but what I did do was I came in for the shower, and let's back up. I'm using different materials here for the shower, for the walls, for this purpose, just to make it easier to see where everything's going. And if the materials were the same, you just wouldn't be able to tell where one starts and one stops. So here I put a dual water control in. So as we get into that, you have one that does the shower head and the other one that does the spray. And one of the other things that we may look at doing is coming in and just putting in a little corner shelf back into here. So that way when Mari goes to be washing off or whatever, basically be a footrest to be able to rest your foot while you can get to your feet easier to be able to wash those. We've got the two recesses, and this recess is right at 24 inches off the ground, and this one is up to 48 inches to the bottom of it off the ground, so that'd be good height for both of you to be able to reach. And let's spin back around here. So here we have your washer dryer, and we determined that it would be best to be able to have everything wide open. So that's where we're at with that. Then we come through here, and this is the other bathroom, which will also act as a powder room for the rest of the house. So we're able to close it off from Mari's room with the door there. And we're using pocket doors per your choice. We're using the taller toilets, which are 21 inches. Then we added a linen closet. So we've got that in there. That was one that was not on the plans originally, but we went ahead and decided we have the space. Let's put it in. And this room, I did not put any furniture into it. So, but we have the dual closets, which is what we were looking for to start with. And then we come over, and this goes into your sunroom, what you were calling your sunroom. So that area there would be your sunroom. And then let's go back here. This is the area here. Let's take a look at this. This is where the big picture window was in the front of the house. Well, being we had to move everything forward to get away from the well, we had no real way where the drawing said hope to come into the dining room originally, and unfortunately that wasn't able to be done, so we decided to shift everything forward to get away from the well. So your entryway is going to be through your doorway there and then back. And then the rest of this is going to be as it is as of now with the kitchen, the dining room. Those I'm not going to put much into it because those are some of the areas that we're not touching. So anyway, this is Ken Latham, the design guy, signing off. I hope y'all have a great day, and I'll be waiting to get your comments back. Take care. Bye now.